Hey Abel, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough. Wanted to put together a little video tour of the GLE 53 Coupe we looked at together. This might look familiar, but I thought it would just be a nice little refresher. We have polar white night package, GLE 53 AMG Coupe night package, which gives us black accents there in that front fin, front lip and spoiler, also done in a black metallic, beautiful LED headlights, aggressive AMG Pan-American style grille, 21-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels, matte black accents, brushed silver on the outside of the wheel. Night package also includes the black mirror housings and black window frame. This is an SUV, so privacy tinted rear windows. GLE Coupe styling gives us the sloped rear end, really sleek, very sharp styling, LED tail lights, AMG GLE 53 badging. We have the dual tip black metallic exhaust. Really a very sleek, very aggressive car, but good for everyday driving. Moving forward, starting with the rear seats, black natural grain wood, Burmeister surround sound system, 64 color ambient lighting set today to blue, black NAPPA leather, dynamic inserts, moonroof up top. Moving forward, driver and passenger seat, thick bolstered flat bottom AMG steering wheel, two 12-inch displays, heads up display there, heated seats, ventilated seats, powered memory seats, Burmeister surround sound system, wireless charging, cup holders, touchpad, AMG vehicle controls, beautiful upholstery, beautiful seats. I'm going to put together just a quick video tour. We'll walk around the car one more time if you have any questions. Vehicles available for sale. I know we've been working out the inner details here of the purchase, but wanted to just put this together for you. Check with any tax or accounting executives you have. These vehicles are rated at a gross vehicle weight of over 6,000 pounds, so they're popular towards the end of the year. If you have any questions, 207-510-2253. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.